Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Realme GT6. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Then select this application and click install. Now click open. And now click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Then select AI assistant and click on display over other apps. Then you can click back and click back again. Now you can click start, and as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget. You can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.